Understanding the term cylinder head in automotive mechanics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating mechanical term, cylinder head. This term is commonly used in automotive mechanics, and understanding it can be quite useful, especially for those interested in vehicles or engineering. The cylinder head is a crucial part of an internal combustion engine. It's a solid block that sits on top of the engine's cylinders, forming the upper part of the combustion chamber. This part is vital for controlling airflow in and out of the cylinders and housing components like valves, spark plugs, and fuel injectors. Understanding its function helps in comprehending how engines work. A cylinder head includes several key components. Valves. These control the flow of fuel and air mixture into the engine and the exit of exhaust gases. Spark plugs. They ignite the fuel-air mixture to start the combustion process. Fuel injectors. In some engines, these spray fuel directly into the combustion chamber. Each component plays a vital role in the engine's performance and efficiency. The design and condition of a cylinder head greatly influence an engine's performance. It ensures efficient airflow, optimizing the engine's breathing process, proper cooling, helping to dissipate heat from the engine, compression, maintaining the right pressure for combustion. A well-functioning cylinder head is crucial for optimal engine health and performance. I hope this video has helped you understand what a cylinder head is and why it's important in automotive mechanics. Remember, understanding such specific terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also broadens your technical knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.